Hi Pisces, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we will check out your June 2021 monthly predictions and we will see what are the guidance messages towards you in this month. So this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, so take what resonates and leave the rest. Alright, I'll be taking your past, present and future energies over here in regards with love, okay? But if other energies come up, we will take them as well. Alright, what is happening with my Pisces and their person? Please, you can, if you want to book an appointment with me, you can also just check out my my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there. Alright, so let's see. Moon, Pisces energies. Okay, strong emotions coming up. Pisces, what is happening? Okay, what is going on with my Pisces and their person? Pisces and their person. One more shuffle. At the back of the deck we have the World card, the overall energy of the reading with the Tower and with the Five of Pentacles as well. Okay, so this can be a heartbreak, this can be a separation from someone, this can be a process which has ended. Okay, you might be still needing some answers for that, something in regards with an old relationship. Let me clarify why the World card is here in your overall energy. Why the World card is here in the overall energy, please? Eight of Wands, the Fool, and the Tower. See the Tower moment again. Yeah, we can say that there was a new beginning with someone, but it ended really fast. New beginning, endings. But I would also say that there was an ending and now there is a new beginning in front of you as well. So an ending which ended bad, okay, it was a bad ending, but you are in communication with a new person now. There's a new beginning, you have taken some risk in life, but you don't care. It's like a risk, you have become a risk taker. You want to communicate, you want to be with this person anyhow. I don't care, you know, you are in that state. In your past energies we have the Seven of Rods, Ace of Cups and the Hermit. Wow, so this can be your energies, Pisces, your person's energy. Very strong, beautiful energies coming up for you. Let me clarify why the Seven of Rods is here in my Pisces energies. Queen of Wands. So this can be you have taken stand of yourself and your relationship from the people around you, because there might be something in relation with divorce or something might be going on, and you're standing up for them. You don't care what the people thinks. Okay, you are attracting your aura towards others. They are attracting their aura towards you. It's like a very strong bond between you and your person over here. Yeah, strong. In the past I'm seeing that your person, there's strong belief towards each other. Like, I will stay there, I will be there for you, you know, that Friends theme song. So yes. Why is the Ace of Cups here in the past energies? Was it a new relationship or an old relationship? Okay, wow, there's a strong slow energies in the past. There was a relationship, you always had love for someone, and it was like, might be a pause because of the Hanged Man we have, Seven of Pentacles we have, and the Four of Swords we have. It's an energy where you were waiting for somebody to come back in your life, or you were waiting for somebody to say you yes. Okay, something like that. You were waiting. There was a strong patient energy. Your energies are very emotional at this time in your past as well. You always took stand of this person, you took stand of yourself, your relationship, but you wanted a continuation with this relationship. Okay, why the Hermit energy is here in the past? I think there was strong pause between you and your person's relationship because of some other people. Might be worldly energies over here, what people will say, what the society will say, something like that. Yeah, worldly energies, I'm really getting those energies today. Ace of Cups, Three of Pentacles, and Nine of Swords. See, this new relationship you wanted to work out. This is a strong collaboration, being successful towards each other, being, you know, let's grow together. That is the energy which is I'm really getting, and but still there was a little pause. Always wanted to be with each other, but still pause. Why this pause? What happened? Let me clarify some more cards. What exactly happened with my Pisces and their person? Why was there strong pause? The Empress energy, okay. Five of Cups and the Knight of Swords, okay. This can be a relationship where you both were together, but from heart you were together, but physically you were not present for each other. This can be that. This can be somebody in your family who has taken the things in a very bad way, like a mother, your person's mother, strong female energies coming up, somebody playing the bad woman role, you know, something like that, and that is why this thing created chaos in your relationship. But still you wanted to be with this person, still strong. So in present we have the Queen of Cups, Page of Swords, and the Ace of Swords. Why the Queen of Cups is here in the present energies? Knight of Pentacles and Two of Cups. Yeah, strong soulmate energies. You love them, they love you. Yes, it is there. And things are slow. They might be slow, but they are with you. You are with them. I think strong communication happening. Everything is clear between both of you. It's just, I really am getting the energies of the surroundings. You are see such a strong inner strength for each other. You both are helping each other. You both are always, you know, giving each other good thoughts, always giving each other positivity. That is what you're caressing each other basically. Wow. Why the Page of Swords is here in the current energies? Ten of Wands and the Three of Wands. Might be distance from each other, but distance doesn't matter. All right, you are in communication. You feel like that there's a baggage. You want to be with them more closely. You have a lot of situations going on in your family. They might be having some situations going on. It's like might be a lot of work also, stress at work, something like that. You are going through a lot of strong energies, like fast energies. It's like you want, might be a lockdown is there everywhere, but still your work is not locked up. You have lots and lots of work from home, also from the other work as well. You have to manage a lot of things in your life at this time, Pisces. So why is the Ace of Swords here in the present energies for my Pisces? Page of Wands, Ace of Wands, and Queen of Swords. Yeah, communication, idea generation. So you are communicating, you are sending each other good ideas. There are strong creative energies towards each other. That is what is happening. I really am getting positive vibes from this relationship, Pisces. Very strong, positive. See, financially independent, strong, maturity. So this person, your person, you both are very strong, mature. You know, because I'm getting a lot of queens in your reading. Queen of Cups we have the Queen of Swords, we have the King of Pentacles. But it's like mature people in this reading. Your person, you know what to do. You know, people do not have to tell you what to do. You already know. Both of you know. In the future, we have the Sun, the Seven of Pentacles, and Three of Pentacles. Why the Sun card is here? Nine of Wands. Again, same energies are coming up. It's looking to me that you are standing up for them. You might be tired from the other people. You might be like, no, you know, people might be saying that this and that, but you are standing up there. You are tired, but still you are standing up. You have put your guards down here. You are ready to communicate with your person. You are ready to start a new relationship with them, and you do not care about anyone in the future as well. Things are a little slow. Things are coming up. Delays are coming up because of the Pentacles energies now. Strong Pentacles. 7 of Pentacles and the 3 of Pentacles. You are waiting for the perfect time, that when will it happen. Might be your marriage, might be your like this commitment, this when is that going to happen. You are still wondering that. But let me clarify why the 7 of Pentacles is here. 2 of Pentacles. See that busy life of yours. You are still wondering when things will be fine. You have a strong hope, a ray of hope in you. You have taken control of your life. You have taken control of everything, and now you want to just move on. 3 of Pentacles. Why 3 of Pentacles is here? The Wheel of Fortune. Wow. So this is the best card. I will stop my reading here. So yes, Wheel of Fortune has come up here. So that means your time is going to come. It is coming to you very fast, and now not very fast, but things are slow. That is what I'm seeing, that things are going on, they are slow around you. Life is very busy, but what you want to be too fast, to to make things fast, that is not going fast, that is slow. And your other life, your work life, your business life, your other life, that is going really fast, and but what you want, that is not. So because the time has not yet come. So with the Wheel of Fortune, the time is coming up towards you, my dear Pisces. Just be patient, okay? Do not just lose your calmness. Be patient and be happy. Alright, so that is all from my side, my dear Pisces. I hope it helps. We are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.